Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock it and make sure battery is above 20% so nothing interrupts. Once ready, open Settings and navigate to Notifications or Sounds and Notifications. This central page controls alert behavior. You want to find the global notifications switch or do not disturb option first, because turning that off quickly stops most interruptions. Once you spot it, toggle the master switch or enable Do Not Disturb to silence alerts while you adjust per app controls next. Now you refine control by going into each app listed under Notifications. Tap an app and turn off banners, sounds, badges, or lock screen visibility to remove specific alert types. This prevents a blanket mute while keeping essential alerts. Once done with one app, move through high-volume apps like messaging and social media, disabling background notifications, or setting them to silent. Make sure to use priority or allow exceptions for critical apps, such as phone or alarm, so important items still. To finish, schedule Do Not Disturb or a focus mode for recurring quiet hours so you don't repeat these steps manually. This ensures consistent behavior. Then test by sending a message or toggling airplane mode briefly to confirm no unexpected alerts. If notifications still appear, restart the device, revisit app permissions, and ensure battery optimization isn't re-enabling background alerts. If problems persist, remove and reinstall the problematic app. Often a reinstall clears corrupted notification settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.